How to promote your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to promote your page. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. And here click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find your page, click on it. Now you have this list, scroll over until you find overview. Now, scroll down and you find Insights. Click on See All. Once you are here, scroll over, scroll down, and you're gonna find Encourage people to like your page. Click on Promote Page. In here, you're gonna find those steps. You can fix it, and this is it. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.